So first you can begin with your ball cap method. I just put the cap over her head and then take some Got2b glue and rub it over the part that the lace closure will cover. I have a few other videos on how I do my ball cap method. You can go watch that video. And then I take a blow dryer and just dry it until it is completely dry. I got these stocking caps from Walgreens. These, I usually don't use them, but I ran out of the other ones. So then you just want to sew the cap down to your foundation. She did get her foundation braided before she came, so I actually might try the method that she came with because it was pretty, it worked when it came to sewing down the bundles. So after you finish that, after you do the Got2b glue gel, you want to take some spray and then spray it over there just to make sure that it is, it's on there good enough. That spray really works magic. You want to take your blow dryer again to make sure that it's completely dry, and then after you do that, you want to cut the cap completely off. Now, some people leave the cap on the client's head, but I prefer to take mine off. And an important part in this is cutting off the excess cap in the fronts because you want to make sure it blends in with the person's skin. So make sure you completely cut that off. And after you finish cutting off the excess cap, you want to take a makeup that is a shade lighter or the exact same shade as your client's skin. After you see me applying this color makeup to the back of the cap, I will take some, it's kind of like a liquid foundation but not really, and it came in a cap. I've had this for so long, but I figured out that it matched her skin perfectly. So that is what you will see in the next clip. It's me rubbing that foundation over the edge of the cap, because if you don't do this step correctly, you will be able to see the cap through the lace, and that's just not cute and it's not going to look natural at all. So that's the part you want to make sure you focus on. Afterwards, you want to take some alcohol on a cotton ball or cleaning pad and wipe the excess makeup off, or else the glue will not stick. Here I'm just showing that I am applying the same makeup to her frontal and then sewing it down. In this clip, I started from the front and then went to the back. When I got to the middle of the closure, I stopped and then started on the back again so it wouldn't be bunched up. And that's pretty much what I did to sew it down. I am using boho, of course, to lay this closure down, and you want to make sure you use at least 3 layers. And between each layer that you put down, make sure that it completely turns dry. You will know it's dry when it is completely clear, which means absolutely no white marks, okay? This is the best way to make sure your lace sticks to your client. After that, you want to, this is the second layer of glue that I'm using. I used 3, but I took out the clip of the last layer that I used because I'm letting you guys know that you want to use 3. Some people use 2, but at least 3. That works for me. Then I am just going to sew the bundles down. I do sew through the web. I am working on not sewing through them, but honestly, this works for me, and I've been getting a weave for the longest and it has not messed up my weave hair. So I figured, hey, why not? So here you will see that. When you apply the lace to the skin after the glue has dried, you want to press it down into your client's skin. This will give the lace that, what lace is. That's how you're going to get that effect. Press it down into the client's skin. Take your rat tooth comb or something to, press it down even more. I am using my scissors today to cut this lace off, and I start from the middle and then cut each side off. I already finished the right side to me, left to you guys. So now I'm going to do the other side and press it down nice and firmly again. You can apply some body weight onto it just to make sure it sticks, but I'm just going to use ice cream stick. Afterwards, I'm just taking some mousse to mold it down, and I am going to comb out the hair. As you can see, the hair is curly, so you want to make sure that it's not, tingly or anything. On to the baby hair, second important part to section out the front part of that closure for your baby hair, and then just shave it down to your preferred method and swoop. Forget to shop ShyDesireExtensions.com. My lashes are dropping February 14th, and also shop my bundles. I have bundles, closures, frontals, and now I have lashes. So don't forget to shop. Valentine's Day sale will be coming soon, and those lashes will be dropping on Valentine's Day.